Some customers often ask us which kind of condom sells the most. After we research some famous brands such as Durex, etc., we found classic condom and seeker condom sell very well in European countries. In Middle East, rabbit condom sell very well, and they also like this is rabbit condom. They also like put some different flavor and warm feeling and delay medicine in the condom. This is very popular. Extra thin condom. The thickness of extra thin condom is only about 30% to 60% than ordinary condom. In South America countries, classic condom, color condom are very popular in different countries. If you want to know more knowledge about condom, welcome you follow us.